Hello, my friendly shoppers, and welcome back. This is Gina, and today we are back shopping at HomeGoods. We're going to go inside and see what we could find this week, and this is a good time if you're wanting to refresh your home. Now, these are really pretty. The candle holders for the taper candles with the rhinestone hearts. So this is a single heart. You can see the other one's a double heart. $13 each. Oh, these are beautiful. You can have these up for Valentine's Day if you want to. You could have them up any time of the year. They're so pretty. And I really do enjoy the flameless tapers because sometimes they're on timers and you can just have those going every night. Now the swaying solar dandelion decor. There's actually 6 sets with 6 LEDs in each one. $35? Oh, that's actually really interesting. Because you could place this around your yard. Just make sure it gets plenty of sunlight. And still a lot of Valentine's Day decor. So if you're wanting to decorate, we have a week left. Or if you're just wanting to, maybe buy early for next year, you can definitely do that. Oh, the Kuromi. My daughter loves this character. Super cute for Valentine's Day. It is ceramic. It's from Blue Sky. Wow, it's $25. And then, we have more of the taper candle holders. We have the rhinestone in pink and then the red metallic hearts in the back. Oh, this is pretty. Now, this is, of course, the strawberry, the gummy candies. Just trying to find the price. Super adorable. Okay, $6. And then over here, it has the heart on top if you're wanting to give someone some peanuts. I'm looking for the price of this one. Okay, I'm not having any luck with the price. Oh, here's some more. $8 each. You can reuse that glass container too. And then Nuts About You. Butter, toffee, candy, peanuts. Oh, that actually sounds pretty good. That one is $7. So still a lot of fun little sweet treats. Oh, I like this ceramic pot. That is a beautiful blue. And no price. And this is pretty. If you're looking for some greenery around your home, and you don't want to have to worry about watering flowers or plants, definitely check out HomeGoods. That one is $10. There are so many options, and every day they get in new items. So the Easter is definitely fully here. There are so many Easter items, and there's just so much to see. And it really depends on how you're decorating. Maybe you need a cupcake kit. This one is $5. Super cute. Now the lamps. This is such a good time of year to check out the lamps right now at HomeGoods. And these lamps are super cute. $22. And honestly, lighting, having, a few lamps around, and I love these smaller ones. It just creates just a beautiful, nice atmosphere. I love these glass bases. So that was more of a peach. We have the yellow in the back, the blue. Those are so beautiful. And there's just so many different options. Oh, that's pretty too. Very unique. How much is this one? $25. That's not a bad price. And then over here, oh, I like the stripes. That lampshade is gorgeous. And then here is the base. I know the cottage style, the Victorian style is really popular right now. What's so funny, this has always been my style. So I'm actually really excited to see pieces. So the lamp, $60. Lamps can get expensive. Now this one, ooh, that's like a velvety suede on the outside. It would be a little hard to keep clean. You would always have to make sure to kind of wipe it down. $40 each. So many beautiful lamps. Now I do love these wall sconces, and I always like two. I always like to have a matching pair. $25. And that one is pretty. They have so many different options, or if you just want a single one, that is up to you. Yeah, see, there's 2 of them. That would be $50 for the set. Now here's another single one. This one is about twice the height as that one we just saw. So $35. But the lampshade is really adorable. It looks like the toile is coming back, and I still have so many items with that toile decor. Oh, check out the feathers. Okay, this is a fun one. $40. And then we have these beautiful mirrors. That one is about $20 as well. Oh, I think my husband would like these. He has a little area that he's decorating and for like his barware. So I'm going to send a photo of those to see what he thinks. Those are $15 each. Now I love these. They used to be like the oil lamps, and my mom actually has 2. This is $40. And the top, what was holding up the top actually broke, but the top and the bottom turned on, and I'm just kind of wondering, does the bottom turn on here? Because I'm loving this lamp and I would love to get this for my mom. Yeah, that is so pretty. It is glass, but yeah, it was the rim that was holding it. That's what broke. It was my grandmother's, and we still have it, hoping one day that we can fix it. So I found the switch. It doesn't look like the base lights up. Oh, that's too bad. I really wish that base lit up. We had to place a night light underneath of it, as I'm remembering like our old lamp, but that is just so pretty. If you're looking for like maybe a different, not just a wicker Easter basket, but something a little bit different, definitely check these out. So this is $13. Now there's 3 different sizes, but I think that $13 is the second size. So here is the smallest one. That one is $10. That was $13. And I went through quite a few. This size, this largest one, there was no price tags on them. So I'm thinking, what, maybe if it's a couple dollars more, maybe $15 at $99. Ooh, this is a beautiful mirror. We saw some shelves last week to match this, and that price is $60. It's a good size mirror. It's about, I would say about 2.5 feet high. Oh, I like these footstools. They're actually almost too pretty to use. Oh, those are gorgeous. Super pretty. I have been looking for one of these gallery lights. I see them on Amazon, but I really want to see it in person. It's $50. They are a little bit on the pricier side, but we have this large piece, and I want to place that over that piece. So I'm going to pick that one up. And my husband did like the photos, so I'm going to pick those up just so he could see them in person, because the return policy here at HomeGoods is 30 days. And we found some more Easter items. There are so many of the ceramic Easter items. You can see some of the faux greenery. Oh, there's some stuffed bunnies down there if you collect eggs. And there's a style for everyone. Oh, there's some cute items here. Ooh, I like this egg. It is so pretty. $15. That's not a bad price. That is pretty. Here's another one too. I'm tempted, but I think I'm good when it comes to the Easter decor, because I did pick up a couple of pieces last week. Oh, I like this egg. This one's really pretty. How much is this? I'm being so careful. $10. Because everything just kind of piled up and everything is breakable. Oh, look at those eggs back there. This is a good time to kind of find the pieces if you're looking for, you know, maybe a few spots to decorate. If you're looking for some bunnies, oh, they have my favorite. These faux chocolate bunnies. I just love these. I got a couple, actually I have about 3 or 4 of them. I have to double check, but the last couple of years I picked up some. But yeah, these are fun. There's so many. Oh, I do like the plants. See, I feel like this one, $25. See, I would keep that up like all year round. And we have over here now, okay, these are really pretty. Definitely be careful with these because those flowers, they're all made of wood. They're not that expensive, $13, but you don't want to drop it. And look how cute this frame is. It's $14. No, 15, my apologies, but that is so adorable. And then we have the ceramic bunny with the faux lavender. And that one is $15. Now, some of these pieces are massive. Look at this one. It's $50. So if you are needing some big ceramic pieces for Easter, definitely check out HomeGoods because they got quite a few right now. You can see one bunny has a broken ear. That's how fragile these are. Now, I really like this one. I would place a plant behind it. This is great for the front porch. It is hollow and there's no price. And I know that price is probably right at the bottom. And our strawberries are starting to come back. Look how cute this little creamer is. $8. And then we have the basket. Oh, I like this ceramic basket. That is really pretty. That one is $10. And then we have our salt and pepper shaker right here. I know these pieces are actually really too pretty to use. $13. But they're pretty to look at. Now, I would actually use this. I like the size of this pitcher because it's not too big, but it's not too tiny. It is small. $15, but it's gorgeous, especially with the blue. And then over here, we have our rooster. That one is $8. I like how they have the rubber band around it to keep it together. And then we have the goose. Oh, that's cute with the little spoon. That's a cute mug. And that one is $8. If you're planning an Easter tea party or a spring tea party, these would definitely work. From Peter Rabbit, for $10, you have the teacup with the matching saucer. That is super cute with the gold trim. There's another one back here. Oh, that one's really cute. That one has a pink trim. There's some adorable dishes here. If you want just a mug for Peter Rabbit, we have a couple of different styles. That one is $7. And that one's really cute too. That one is $7 as well. So just kind of remember that any time you see a mug or plate, when it's trimmed in silver or gold, they are definitely not microwave safe. That set of plates is $13. I know these glasses are so popular. Here's one for Easter. We have the bunnies and the carrots. $8. We saw a set of 4 with the fruits at Costco, which is a really good price. Now, if you are looking for some barware, maybe some drink mixers, I love the packaging of these syrups. We have 4 different ones that we can see so far. They are concentrated, but the packaging, I'm just loving it. So pretty. And those are $9 each. Oh, this little tea set is cute. So it looks like you're getting 2 teacups with the saucers. Looks like we have some matching spoons and then the teapot. So this is perfect for a set of 2. The box is gorgeous, $25. Oh, that would make a lovely gift. Now, we saw some strawberries. Here is some lemons. Now this basket's actually really adorable. The flowers, you could tell, are fragile, so definitely handle this with care. And then we have the matching plate right next to it. So the basket is $10. Actually not a bad price. The plate is wedged in there, so I'm just gonna let it be. The lemon basket, like the strawberry one we saw earlier. This is so pretty. $10. I'm trying to handle these pieces as carefully as I can. So I am a little bit slow because everything is like on the edge. And I do not want to knock everything over, even one piece. And you can see there are some beautiful pieces, but there's just so much on a single shelf. So I'm always trying to be extra careful. Now, if you are wanting to decorate your home, maybe just kind of freshen it up, they have so many pillows. There's so many different colors, so many different styles. This one, that blue kind of velvet texture. Now, this pillow, $25. Sometimes you'll find a single pillow. Sometimes you'll find them in a set of two, like this set right here, for $40 with the print. There are so many different throws as well. So many different colors and patterns and prints, different textures. So we have like our green theme, even Dr. Seuss green eggs and ham. Now the throws will range about $24, some up to $40. But there's so many different ones, including the pillows. Oh, I like the toile. Here's some more of it. Super pretty. Now, I love changing out my throw pillows, and I do have a few of these from HomeGoods. And then once in a while, I'll purchase some covers from Amazon, and I like that because I'll just use this pillow. And sometimes some of these are, well, actually most of them, to be honest, spot clean. Some of them you can remove the covers. So this one, that's a huge one for $30. Look at the size of this one. But there's different sizes, different textures. But if you want to buy a set, like this gold right here, and maybe you want to change it out, definitely double check at Amazon. You can find some really beautiful covers, because I always like to kind of change it up. I change it during the season, maybe during different holidays. But they have so many different options, so many different sizes. So if you're looking for something particular, definitely double check at HomeGoods. And as I mentioned earlier, they're always changing all of their items. They're always kind of like getting in something new every day. Now that was really pretty. The embroidery, $40. It is a little bit on the pricier side. It's probably one of the most expensive ones I have seen. We have some with tassels, with ruffles, with a little fringe. So I always like to check their pillows out. I've got some really cute ones. And a couple I saw last year I really loved, but they were really pricey. So this is my little haul. I did pick up a new tablecloth, $25. It's 100% cotton. And then, of course, we're going to get the 2 pictures and then check out that light, see if that's going to work with our photo. Well, everyone, thank you so much again for coming along to HomeGoods with me today. And thank you again for watching. Take care, and I will talk to you later.